Dog कैसे कहता है बेटा? What does the dog say?
Bow bow.
What does the cat say?
Cat क्या बोलती है यार?
What does the cat?
Meow.
Meow meow. What does the cow say?
No.
What does the whistle say? Whistle whistle.
क्या कर रहे?
Shoo.
Shoo.
What does the goat say?
नहीं.
What does the lion say? Loudly. Lion says?
Yes.
Acha, what does the wolf say?
Ooh.
What does the honeybee say? Honeybee. Which more animals? What does the snake say?
Fish.
What does the train say? Acha, what does the pig say? Pig.
Under.
What does the pig say?
Oink. Oink.
Acha, what does the frog say?
Rabbit.
Okay. What does the duck say?
Quack quack.
Quack quack. What else? Any other animal? What does the lion say? Okay. Now say counting.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Okay. And say Johnny Johnny.
Johnny Papa. Johnny Papa. Johnny Papa.
Very good. Let's give a prize to little Arsh also. Very good, Arsh. Say thank you, Mama. Say thank you, Mama. I will now request Manvi. Is she ready? Manvi, please come. I know.